I'm Ryan, and I'm from Skinner West. And one thing I like about the program, I really like how they encourage you to do your best and keep pushing you to be the best version of yourself.
Ryan, come up to the mic and do his thing and say what he wants, which he normally does anyway, and enjoy it.
My poem is called Mystery. Mystery, oh mystery, how you keep me quiet. I think of you all night and day, but when I see myself, I scream. I have turned into a shadow. Without delay, I go away to live a quiet life, where I lay to this day. The quiet has killed me. I want to hear sound again, but why would I leave my comforting hut? For I have become one with this sweet, velvety darkness of quiet. Calm at last.